Hey, how's it going, guys? I got some good news. Last week I ordered some wheels and yesterday they came in. I've been wanting these wheels for a long time. If you've been following me for a good while now, you know I've wanted these wheels for a while. You've already seen me test fit them on my car. If you look down through my posts on my Instagram, you'll see a photo of them. But here they are. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got in here. Whoa. There you have it. I got me a set of Super Advan Racing version 3s. Here they are. They honestly came in pretty good condition. The the lips still look pretty nice. This is probably the roughest out of all of them. There's a little scratch right here. It's not too bad. I don't really mind it. The lips aren't too bad either. Most important of all, they came with the coins. I have the plates and the lock nut in my room. I was able to get them off last night. And then if you're wondering, these are 16 by 7s. I don't know if you can see. (16x7) plus 35. They're a little bit higher offset than on my Riken, so they're going to be a little bit more sunken in than what you see here. But I'm going to go for a little bit meatier setup. I'm going to try to get 205 55s on the Advans. These on my Rikens right here are 195 55s. But yeah, I've been wanting these wheels for a really long time. My cousin had a set in 17s. I test fitted them on right when I started modding my car just to see different wheel fitments. These have been my dream wheels ever since. I'm finally able to get my hands on these. I'm hoping today I can get some tires on them and we can just slap them on right away, but we'll see. I got these from Kruber, who imported it from Up Garage, one of the Up Garages in Japan. I got them for really cheap, considering they had the center caps. Alright, so I just got back from Andy's Tires. Got some rubber on them. I went back to 205 55 for a meatier setup. I can't wait any longer, let's put them on. Now for the finishing touches. So unfortunately, I ran into a little problem where these plates, they don't fit over the lugs. My lugs are too big. Oh well, I already put the center nut on, so but this wouldn't fit because my lug nuts were too big, but it's fine. We just put the nut on. So this is the fitment right now. It's a little booty compared to the fitment on the Rikens. Front ones are a little bit better, but I might end up running a spacer. I'm not sure if I want to do 5 or 15 yet. I kind of want to do 15 just to match the offset of the Rikens, but we'll see. That's it, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of it. Be sure to hit that like. What did it say? Hit that like, that share, and that subscribe button. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else next. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing next to this car. I know I got to get my exhaust ticket written off soon. I got to go back to stock exhaust. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.